So this is my Redmi 4X and I have installed HyperOS 3 based on Android 16 on it. Let's first set up the ROM and then I will show you the features as well as the bugs. This is basically a Chinese ROM, but Play Store is already included in this ROM, so you don't have to download and install it manually. Now let me show you the about page of this ROM. First of all, the brightness works fine and the QS panel looks awesome. And here's the Easter egg. It is based on the latest version of Android, which is Android 16 as of now. There are a few Chinese based AI features, but they are not that much useful. Now about the bugs, only the fingerprint bug is there. Bluetooth is fixed in this update. The battery backup also seems fine. You can also add virtual RAM to increase the performance of the ROM. Dark mode also works fine and there's an option for adjusting the refresh rate, but it doesn't work as Redmi 4X has a 60Hz display. The display quality feature is also just useless for this device. The notification and QS panel doesn't lag at all. Now let me show you that Bluetooth works fine. The RAM usage of this ROM is not great, but it is fine. As you can see, I am getting almost 1 GB free out of 3 GB. Now about the camera quality. It is way better than stock or compared to any other ROM. The picture quality looks almost real. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.